My name is Sophia D, and I go to UNAMI Middle School, and my project is on how cell phone conversation affects reaction time. Why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic because cell phones are a very relevant subject to me, not only to me, but to many other kids and adults. I'm also into social experiments, and I find the human brain pretty interesting. My question that was used to guide my experiment was, how does cell phone conversation affect reaction time? I concluded that my independent variable would be the time they spent talking on the phone, and their dependent variable would be their reaction after talking on the phone, which I would measure in centimeters. I began to form my hypothesis. I inferred that cell phone conversation will affect reaction time, making it slower. For my project, I used a ruler, paper, pencil, and a cell phone. For my procedure, I tested 3 different subjects once a week for 8 weeks, 3 times on the phone. First, before they talked on the phone, I would take their reaction time to compare it to the others to use as a control. Then they would talk on the phone for 5 minutes. I would drop the ruler to evaluate their reaction time and then repeat for 10 and 15 minutes. For subject 1, my hypothesis was proven right, but over time his reaction time got faster, even though it still got slower after the time trials. As is shown on the data chart, he started off with 20.32 centimeters and ended week 8 with 12.7 centimeters, showing that he didn't have a long-time effect after, but it still happened. For subject 2, my hypothesis was also proven right. Her reaction time pretty much stayed the same, staying at 17.78 centimeters, with a little change in the middle. It wasn't affected over time, but still got slower after 5, 10, and 15 minutes. For subject 3, my hypothesis was again proven right. His reaction time from 0 minutes over the week was across the board. Sometimes it was 30.48 centimeters or 17.78 centimeters. Overall, his reaction time still got slower after 5, 10, and 15 minutes. In conclusion, my hypothesis was correct. I feel like overall my project was pretty accurate. There may have been some mishaps, like subject 1 sometimes wouldn't hold the phone to his ear, and subject 3 would sometimes drop the ruler. I feel like it should be looked into, but it's not that serious. It shows there is no long-time effect. Next time, I will try to vary the subjects like age, gender, etc. The results I have concluded make me want to be more careful with cell phones.